Hello everyone. For this innovation video assignment, we chose to explore the use of 3D printing technology in the construction industry. Construction has traditionally been a labor-intensive industry that relies on conventional building methods. However, recent advances in 3D printing are changing how buildings are designed and constructed. This innovation has the potential to reduce construction time, lower costs, decrease material waste, and improve sustainability. Today, we will examine this technology through the lens of innovation management concepts that we studied in class. 3D printed construction uses large-scale automated printers that build structures layer by layer using specialized concrete or construction materials. Instead of relying entirely on manual labor, the printer follows a digital design and creates walls and structural components with high precision. Some projects that previously required weeks or months can now be completed in a matter of days. As housing shortages and construction costs continue to rise globally, this technology offers a promising alternative to traditional building methods. One of the most important concepts from this course is disruptive innovation. Disruptive innovations introduce new approaches that challenge established ways of doing business. 3D printing has the potential to disrupt traditional construction because it changes how buildings are produced, reduces dependence on labor, and introduces new business models. Although traditional construction methods continue to dominate the industry today, 3D printing represents an emerging alternative that may become increasingly important in the future. Managers who fail to recognize disruptive technologies risk falling behind competitors who adopt them earlier. Another concept from the course is the distinction between radical and incremental innovation. Incremental innovation involves small improvements to existing products or processes. Radical innovation involves significant changes that transform an industry. 3D printed construction can be viewed as a radical innovation because it fundamentally changes the building process itself. Rather than making small improvements to existing construction methods, it introduces an entirely new way of creating structures. This demonstrates how radical innovations often require organizations to rethink their capabilities, resources, and strategic priorities. The course also introduced the create, convert, and capture model of innovation. The create stage involves generating innovative ideas and identifying opportunities. In this case, the opportunity was to improve efficiency and reduce waste in construction. The convert stage focuses on turning ideas into practical applications. Companies developing construction printers have invested heavily in research, testing, and pilot projects to demonstrate the technology's effectiveness. The capture stage involves creating value from innovation. Organizations that successfully adopt 3D printing can reduce costs, shorten project timelines, and offer unique solutions to customers. This illustrates how innovation only creates lasting impact when organizations are able to successfully capture value from it. Despite its advantages, 3D printed construction also faces challenges. Organizations must manage risks related to regulations, safety standards, technology reliability, and customer acceptance. This connects to another course concept: diffusion of innovation. New technologies are rarely adopted immediately by everyone. Instead, adoption occurs gradually as organizations observe successful results and gain confidence in the innovation. As more successful projects are completed around the world, adoption of construction 3D printing is likely to increase. In conclusion, 3D printed construction demonstrates how innovation can transform an established industry. It highlights key innovation management concepts including disruptive innovation, radical innovation, value capture, risk management, and diffusion of innovation. For managers, the lesson is clear. Understanding and embracing innovation is essential for creating long-term competitive advantage in a rapidly changing world. Thank you.